Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to give you guys the official burn times on the Teba TKS15 stove. So tonight's actually going to be my third night burning it. The first night that I was burning it, I noticed that I was able to actually get a pretty long burn time with 3 very small pieces of wood completely filling in the firebox. Those 3 pieces of wood probably burned about 2.5 hours, I would say, like just under that 3-hour mark. The next time when I loaded up for my hottest burn, then and also I should note that when I was burning those 3 pieces, I was doing my first burn, so I was actually wide open on my draft control, and was able to get about that 2.5 hour burn time with those 3, smaller pieces of wood about that size, located just in the bottom of the firebox there. When I loaded the firebox up and kind of stacked it up vertical to have kind of those 4 or 5 bigger pieces of wood about that size, I noticed I was only able to get about a 3-hour burn time. So even though there was that much more wood, it was like the extra airflow around it, it burned it up pretty quick. Now I was getting extremely hot temperatures. I mean, if you're looking to crank out some heat, we had about, I believe 900 degrees was what was our hottest reading out of the front air tubes here on the stove. So if you're looking for something that's going to crank out a lot of heat and you're there to be able to feed it, then that's a great option. However, with that 5-hour burn time, unless you don't sleep that much or you're up throughout the night, it might not get you all the way through the night. I am working on some ideas of being able to easily modify the firebox to hopefully increase the burn times. Something you can either do just at home or maybe something we could possibly offer in a kit package. So look for videos on that coming soon. Overall, I am very impressed with the Teba stove. As you can see, it burning right now. It is a beautiful, clean burn. The ambiance of the stove, especially when the lights are out, check out those burn videos to see those nighttime burns. I mean, the way that the flames dance off the side of the walls is just beautiful. So definitely a thumbs up, but do be aware about those shorter burn times. I hope that this video overview was helpful for you guys. If you like my videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.